Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a song, I don't understand a word from it, but we're gonna play it. It's from 3 a.m., I believe, and it's called Bombón, so it's in Spanish. I like to play, not sing this one specifically. So we're gonna look at the chords and how you handle this song. It goes not in the exact same way through the entire song. I'm gonna give you one basic pattern and the chords, and you're gonna play with it. So let's start. No need for any capo on this one, and we will start with the chords with the G major 7 first. So that's the chord. We need a bar here on the 3rd fret, all strings, and the rest will be 5th on A, 4th on D, 4th on G. Beautiful, G major 7. The next chord will be B. So a bar on the bar here on the 2nd fret this time, from the A string and down, so 5 strings from bottom up, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 4th on B. Then we have an E minor. Okay, we usually play it like this. I can give you that. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. But we will also play it like this if we choose to play the picking. So that means 2nd here on D string. I actually bar it. I think that is more, it's easier, feels better. So I bar the 2nd fret from the D string and down, 4 strings, or you can just put it on the 2nd fret, the D string. The rest will be, let's see, 4th on G, 5th on B, and 3rd on E. That's E minor. And then we have C and C minor left. And this one, C1, I like to take with a bar chord since we need C minor right after. So it's easy to just change that like this and not go over like this, all right? So that's the reason why we choose to play C with a bar. And it's a bar here on the 3rd fret from the A string and down. So 5 strings from bottom up. And the rest will be, when it comes to C, 5th on D, 5th on G, and 5th on B. And the C minor, it's very similar. You just need to replace your fingers like this. You keep your bar there on the 3rd fret in the same spot. And the rest will be 5th on D, 5th on G, and 4th on B. So that's the only difference, 4th. So from 5th to 4th, you get a C to C minor. And that is the chord progression through the entire song. G major 7, B, E minor, C, and C minor. All right, so I'm gonna show you one basic pattern to handle the melody if you want to do that, and one basic strumming pattern you can use for this one. So this one is, yeah, you need to just go with your fantasy there and just play notes from the chord, and it differs a bit during the song, but one pattern for G major 7 would be like this. Okay, so you hold the chord as it is and you play E, D, G, and B string, and then you play E and G. Then comes the B chord, and for this melody it's just enough to hold like this. You don't have to hold the full chord. So that means this beautiful sound. That means 2nd on A string, 4th on G, 4th on B, open E, then 4th G, and 4th B. Then we have E minor, and now it suits better to have this bar chord E minor. A little bit harder to take than the standard E minor, but you want these higher notes. So when you hold the chord, okay, you will play D, G, B, E string. You just go down like this, and then you play G and E. And then we have the final part left here, the C to C minor. It goes pretty fast. So you start with the C, you play the chord as it is, you play the A, the G, B, and E string from the C chord. And then you quickly change to C minor and play and pluck the same strings again. You pluck them once together like this. So you pluck again the A, G, B, and E string, but now with the C minor. So slowly it will be like this. So there you have it. And now when it comes to strumming, you can choose to go with that as well. We have this G major 7 chord. Grab that one and we'll look at the strumming pattern. One round will be down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so here you can go a little bit by feel. You can do 2 times per chord, so 2 G majors, 2 Bs, 2 E minors, and then 1 C and 1 C minor. Then you will really work through the entire song with the strumming, but you can also choose to play one round sometimes and then have a pause for the second round in that same chord, and then alternate that a little bit and go back and forth, and or have a shorter pause and creep into this second part of the second strumming pattern or so. So you can go a little bit by feel. I can demonstrate how it could sound with just going straight with the strumming here. So 2 rounds per chord except from C and C minor, they split on it. So 1 on each and every chord there in the end. It will sound like this. So that could sound like this. We can also add in this pauses like that I talked about, so it could sound something like this. And so on. So as soon as you have the right timing here and you have this strumming in the back of your head, and you can just jump in and out of it, you do no wrong here. You can go by feel and play. You don't have to work that much with it. So that's kind of the thing with this song. It goes a little bit by feel. So that is a basic melody and strumming pattern. Good luck with this one. 3 AM Bombón. Great song. Have fun. Play tune.